Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I want to try and dry my hair a different way than I normally do. I want to totally do it upside down with my diffuser. No part, whatever happens, happens here. Not sure how it's going to go. But I used to do it years ago when my hair was like really long. Not totally upside down, but I would do some of it upside down. And then like, for some reason, like, I don't know, when my hair, right before I cut my hair, I would stop doing the upside down because my hair got like square looking when I did upside down. I didn't like the way it was looking. I was just like, let me try it again. And what I did today, which I haven't done yet, I'm curious to see if you could see, I don't have my microfiber towel on like I always do. But I did the whole NIVEA product in the shower, soaping wet. I put it in the way that you're supposed to, and then I took my towel, my microfiber towel, and I scrunched it up. So we're going to see how that works with the combination of drying my hair upside down, just for fun, something different. And the whole time I'm thinking I'm going to look horrible. My hair's going to be a big mess. I'm going to have like a big... But then I'm like, well, wait a minute, what if this comes out really good? This might actually be a good thing. So let's try it. And I'm trying to think, well, how am I going to do this on film? But I guess I'm going to have to stand up. I don't know, we'll figure something out. So let's get into this and see how my hair comes out with a different method of drying and styling. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think it's dry. So let's flip it and see how it looks. Woo! I mean, it's curly. I think I have to just get it back there a little more. Let me play with it a little, maybe. Like, that's my problem. Like, there's no parts, so do I just... It just wants to go... Alright, hold on. The curls look really good. I think the curls themselves look really, really good. It's just this that I'm not really sure what's going on. You see how I get that? Like, it's like my part wants to be the part. But then it looks kind of funky. I don't know if you know that orange monster from Bugs Bunny, but that's what I feel like right now. Who has the big... Like, that's who I look like right now. What do I do? What do I do with this? See, it's just not... This is why I don't style my hair upside down. Let me get closer. Okay, so... It's kind of like settling, sort of like a house, but again, I just don't like the way this looks. I don't know, I feel like my hair looks good though, in a weird way, but different. It just seems too messy for me. I like more of a styled look. You know, maybe if my hair was a lot longer, it wouldn't look so bad, but I guess it's settling down here. It is settling like underneath. I guess it has to do that. So yeah, it's looking better. But it just doesn't, it looks kind of messy for me. I thought it was going to be more frizzy though. I just don't know what to do with this. So I have a feeling that today I'm going to have to put my hair back somehow in a clip or something. I'm going to the beach later, so it's okay. Yeah, I don't know. This is why I don't do my hair upside down, because of this. Like literally something happens up here and I don't know what's going on. So, okay, well, I tried it and I tried it with you. And I gotta tell you though, I'm thinking now though, because aside from this craziness here, the curls don't look bad. So maybe I'll try that Diva way again with it soaking wet in the shower and then scrunching it and then style it my way. Let's see how that looks. I'm still experimenting with that. I did a video trying to style the Diva way, but I couldn't do it while I was in the shower in the video, so I'm gonna still experiment, and it's a matter of styling. You know, like you get the hang over the years of how to style your hair to the way you like it. And yeah, this isn't really working for me, but it's okay because it's no big deal. All right, so can't be doing upside down. Maybe partially upside down. Just can't do this upside down because I don't know what happens if you guys do it, but this is what happens when I do it. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now. And I hope you enjoyed a silly video. So that's it. Please subscribe if you have not. I try to review hair products for curly hair, or, you know, not even just for curly hair. Sometimes regular products work good too. And let me know if you know of any products. I just got a whole bunch actually, so there'll be a lot of reviews coming up. Yeah, so that's it. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and until next time, have a great day.